Hey guys, welcome back to Yes or No Item Reviews. My name is Omar. In this episode, we're going to unbox, set up, and review the Movo WMX-1 DUO, and we're going to unbox right now. So this is what the front of the box looks like. The side, the back, and now let's check out the inside. So inside of the box, you'll notice three things: a case, instructional booklet, and a small warranty paper. Inside the case, you'll find all of the accessories. Starting from the top left, you'll find one of the wireless transmitters. In this bundle, you actually get two of them. Check it out. You also get one wireless receiver. Next, you will get two lapel microphones. They are also known as lavalier microphones. These lavalier mics will be connected to the transmitters, and I'll show you that when we get to learn how to set up everything. Next up is a shoe mount adapter. This hooks up to your camera, and again, I'll show that to you later when we set everything up. I am now holding two windscreens, which helps clear some noise when there is wind around you. And here are two microphone holder clips. These attach to your clothes and keeps the lapel mic in place. This right here is a 3.5mm to TRRS audio output cable. The microphone side is connected to the receiver, and the phone side is obviously connected to your phone. The 3.5mm TRS audio output cable are for cameras that are not a phone. And all these things come with a nice case, which is pretty cool because it keeps everything together nicely. Let's take a closer look on what the transmitter looks like up close. On the top, you have a mic input and line in. Today we're going to use mic input because that's where the lav mic connects. Power LED lights tell you if unit is on or if battery is weak. On the side, you have an on-off switch and a pair button which connects to the transmitter. This is the antenna, and instructions say don't touch here because the signal will mess up. Here you have the battery compartment where you install two AAA batteries in it. On the back, you have a belt clip that you can connect to your belt during use, and if you're a weirdo, you could have it say, subscribe and like the video. The receiver and transmitter look exactly the same, except it says receiver. And also on the top, you have a place to insert your earphone to monitor the sound, and you have here the audio output for connections to cameras. Just like the transmitters, it also has an on-off switch, but this time there's volume buttons to control the loudness of the mics, and there's that same antenna with the same warning. Just like the transmitters again, there's a battery compartment and another belt clip to tell you to comment and share. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to install the batteries. When you open the battery compartment, you'll notice a positive and negative sign. Therefore, be sure you put this battery facing up and this battery facing down. I'll show you right now. Let's install the shoe mount adapter to receiver. Let's first take out the belt clip. You'll notice that there are arrows pointing to the right, which means that is the direction to uninstall the belt clip. Wiggle it a little bit and replace it with the shoe mount adapter. You'll notice it also has arrows, so be sure they are pointing to the right, even though you're pushing to the left. Once it is locked in place, you are finished. Alright, let's put this adapter to the handle. Here I have the Movo smartphone grip handle, which already has a place for the shoe mount, which is really convenient. Take your receiver that we just looked at and slide it in the shoe mount just like this. Stand it upright and tighten it. And there you go. Your receiver is now safely held onto the smartphone grip handle. It's pretty darn sturdy, even if you shake it. Alright guys, so now's the time to set up the receiver and transmitter. Let's put my wife's semi-cracked iPhone on here and tighten it to the phone holder. It's actually a really nice holder, you guys. You should totally purchase it. Anyways, get the TRRS cable, the one that has labels on it. Take the end that says microphone and insert that end to the hole that says line out. Then take the other end of the cable and insert it to your phone's audio jack. If you have an iPhone, you'll unfortunately need to purchase a lightning adapter to hook it up. If the cable is too long, or if it gets in the way, you could wrap it around the holder, or just pull the cable away from the lens so it won't show while you're filming. Now let's set up the transmitter. To set up the transmitter, you need to get the lapel mic and the microphone holder clip. Hook up the lapel mic to the holder clip, and now take the end of the lapel mic and insert it to the microphone jack. Once you have done this, congratulate yourself and smile if you want to. Oh, and don't forget your windscreen. It might be windy outside. Hopefully it blocks the wind sound. Finally, let's pair them both together. Switch both of them to on. And that's it. They already should be paired. It's actually that simple. It's normal that the transmitter blinks every 2.5 seconds and that the receiver stays blue. If they didn't pair, go ahead and pair them again. On the receiver, hold the plus and negative buttons simultaneously, and on the transmitter, hold down pair button. Hold both for 3 seconds, and you could release the buttons when they both start to blink. You know they are paired once the receiver turns to solid blue and the transmitter blinks every 2.5 seconds. Do the same process with your second transmitter and you're good to go. Hey guys, we're doing the test right now. I have my lav mic right here. I have my transmitter connected to it and the receiver's on top of the phone. So I'm going to test the receiver. I'm currently turning up the volume on it. Let's see if that works. Is my voice louder? I'm going to now turn down the receiver and see if that made a difference. So that's my normal speaking voice this whole time, and I hope it worked. All right, testing 1, 2, 3. Okay, it's going.
Show this.
All right, guys, we're gonna do another test because that was 200. We want to go 250. So here we go. All right, here we go. Okay. All right, I'm talking right now. This is going to be 25 feet right here. Okay, can you still hear me? Right there. Okay, this is 25 feet. My wife is going to come over here. All right, so that's 25 feet, and she's going to go over here. And then we're going to go more. So this is going to be 50 feet when this stops. And this is going to be 50, right? Ooh, right there. 50, and my wife is going to go. We do 75 right now. Okay, that's 75 right here. Can you guys still hear me? So this is gonna be 100 now. Here, 100. Right here is 125. Here's my wife going. All right, 150 right over here, right there. That's 150. I hope you guys can still hear me. Can you guys still hear me? If you can, subscribe, like, share the video.
Because we're putting a lot of effort.
This is gonna be 175, 175. So this is 200 feet. Oh my gosh, this is far. All right, right there. Okay, 200 feet. Let's see if it breaks.
Wave your hands.
I'm waving my hands. Here we go. 225 feet. 250 feet right here. Want me to get 300? Okay, fine. I think I stepped on dog poop. It smells. 275. I really doubt this goes this far. This is amazing. This is so far. All right, guys, if you can still hear me, this is 300 feet right here. Okay?
Make it all the way to the stone. Just say I reach all the way to the end of the park.
My wife is telling me to go 300 feet.
More than
300 feet, I mean. This is 325 feet. Can you guys still hear me? This is the very, very end. It's gonna be 350 right over. Oh, perfect. Yeah, this is 300, what did I say, 350? Wow. All right, that's amazing. That's cool.
We're gonna put them back now. Wave your
Okay.
hand. We're gonna run. Go run.
All right, guys, I'm gonna right back. All right, guys, hey, so my wife is holding the camera. She's actually holding the GoPro 8. I'm holding the Movo right here and my cell phone right here. So as you can see, this is the receiver right there. And my transmitter is right here. And my wife is also wearing the same one. Okay, you can show it, hon, go ahead. So she's wearing the transmitter and she also has her mic right there. And I'm also wearing my mic right here, as you can see. So the audio that you're hearing right now is from here. So the GoPro Hero 8 is gonna be mute. All right, so right now we're gonna go ahead and go to the bench that's over there. Ooh, it is windy.
So this is a good test to see if it's really gonna work or not.
I'll watch this tripod later. So I'm gonna grab this, right, the GoPro. Here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and show you if it works through walls. Okay, so can you get me? Hopefully you can. I'm gonna go through this door right here. All right, here we go. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm gonna still keep talking. So hopefully, okay, I'm just walking. Look at these beautiful. Going. Okay, here we go. All right, my wife is waving. I'm going back, and we're gonna go ahead and test right now to see if it worked. Oh. So here we're back. Wife. She's always taking care of Braxton.
I'm blocking your receptor to really mean if
that's
it's...
why you're doing that?
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Explain that.
Well, thank you for blocking my way. I hardly say that, but thank you in this case. All right, guys, so my wife and I are gonna talk at the same time to see if it works and how far we can go. And we're gonna bring this GoPro 8 with us.
Okay, let's go.
All right. This is the radio flyer that we just vlogged last week. So if you guys are interested in this, I'll leave it up in the cards right now.
All right, so now I'm bending my knees and trying if you can still hear my microphone. And I'm throwing that water right there. If you can hear the sound of the rock, and put it right there. If you hear that in more rocks, if
all
that's
right.
visible.
All right. This is as much noise as we can make.
Oh, God, grab a poop of a dog.
That's gross. Let's like not hold hands until we get home. Actually, until you wash your hands.
Oh my God, I was like, this is like, no, jump dip. Oh my God.
Here are some good things about the Movo WMX-1 DUO. The audio signal goes very far. In our case, it went 350 feet, and we probably could have gone farther, and that's way past than what they advertise at 200 feet. Pairing and setup was easy. This system can be used with DSLR cameras, camcorders, smartphones, or tablets. Features of having headphone monitoring and having manual volume adjustments are really nice to have for custom audio. The one thing I wish they had is an LED screen. It would be nice to have a screen to tell you if the volume adjustments are at its maximum or minimum. Also, if there was an LED screen, it would be easier to tell if the receiver were paired to a specific transmitter instead of watching LED lights blink. I know I didn't expect this one to happen, but it would be very cool if the signal was strong enough to go through walls or objects from far distances. If using two lavalier mics at the same time, it does work, but signal seemed weaker in farther distances versus if only one person connected to it. But honestly though, this is still a great purchase. It actually comes with a decent amount of stuff that some kits out there don't even provide, such as output cables for phones, lavalier mics, and shoe mount adapter, just to name a few. I believe that this Movo is perfect for people that do simple videos that are not in between barriers. If you want to learn more specific details about the Movo WMX-1 DUO, or if you want to buy one for yourself, I'll leave all that information in the description section below, and let us know if this is a yes or no item for you. Would you purchase it? Also, check out these other clips that are similar and related to this video to the right of your screen. Until then, I will see you at the next item.